Poppin'. Live from Puerto Rico.
So I really want to say thank you to my husband.
She's 40, y'all. She's 40.
I made it. I'm so grateful.
So yeah, we here in Puerto Rico, baby, getting ready to go to an excursion and jump off some cliffs and all that. So we here celebrating my sister, her 40th. We out here, so y'all stay tuned with.
Aw, so cute.
Surprise!
Why would y'all do that? Hi. So we literally are on the rainforest tour. We about to be so lit. You about to be lit? You about to be lit? Nikki! Hey girl, hey! I need a birthday! Hey, I need a birthday shout out! So they having a good time in Puerto Rico too. We about to be turned up. They about to be turned up more, but I'm about to have a good time.
Hey guys, we are in Puerto Rico celebrating.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Stay tuned, baby.
Hey,
all my ice.
so we about to go into the rainforest. Now, should I carry a life jacket or not? Because I'm just trying to wade in the water. Do I need a life jacket?
Coming for you.
I don't think, Lenny, do we need life jackets? No, we're good then. Okay, stay tuned for the behind the scenes.
All right, y'all, we making our way now to the waterfall. Let's go, Charles.
Stand up, stand up.
Jungle. We're in Puerto Rico. We're here at the Jungle Waterfalls. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's beautiful here. If you're ever in Puerto Rico, you gotta come to this spot. They have, I think, an 8-hour and 4-hour adventure. The rocks is pretty treacherous, but definitely worth it. Definitely worth the wait. Having a blast.
The best time ever.
She's nice. She's very nice.
That was a sloppy one.
Give me a good one.
Yeah, we just wrapped up the waterfall tour. Getting ready to head to the beach, get some food. Hey, like I said, tough go down there, but beautiful. It could almost be a wonder of the world. So beautiful down there. If you're ever in Puerto Rico, make sure you check it out. Mountains over there. You got the mountains that way, palm trees, beautiful. Look at the birthday girl. Hey, birthday girl.
I feel amazing.
Stop walking, Liddy. How do you feel,
I'm having
Toya?
a great time. I love everybody that's here. Everybody is so catering to me. Nikki, I love her.
Nikki, how you feel today?
Perfect.
Perfect. How do we?
I feel bad though, cause Straight hurt himself, but we still gonna turn up though.
He's pretty done. He's okay, right?
Liddy, how you feel?
I feel so good.
How do you feel in the water?
You feel good.
I feel emotional.
No, I don't want to dip down.
Let's get your back on.
She won with the ocean.
Oye, bueno, mi gente, ya empezó la fiesta. Hey, nowadays the pain follow me. Deal with trauma privately. I don't wanna be a burden. I handle things defiantly. Spent a decade searching for a higher power guiding me. Figured out that faith is not up there, that it's inside of me. Act with execution. What's the plan with zero action? Faced with bad
Water bottle in.
it's a magnet to my imbalance.
Yeti, sponsored by Yeti. Here in Puerto Rico. Hey y'all, we are here at La Placita. About to tour with Toya and her birthday. So we're gonna take y'all along with us. See how it is. First time down here, look pretty lit.
Sunshine, back to being unsigned. I only got my bloodline with me going forward, smoking cookie till we dumb high. I heard you taking shots, we pulled up on them, they was gun shy. 2 p.m. in Rome, we at the chapel eating sun-dried tomatoes and a plum wine. Life been like a movie, I don't know how long the run time. Hope it's an extended cut, but when I died, I load my consciousness onto a thumb drive. Yeah, and upload it to the...
What's poppin'? Live from Puerto Rico.
Con tus labios que vale mucho pena, media botella pensando en ti. Lengua sexual y se te nota.
We out here, baby, at Catalina something beach, enjoying the water. Got the rest of the crew coming out. Some people wanted to just chill on the beach, but like I said, San Juan, where it's at. That's where it's at.
Cuando me toques.
Alright guys, we just found some seaweed.
Seaweed.
About $12.99.
$12.99
Sagana.
at Hibachi.
You guys aren't gonna believe what I got. Birthday gift.
I got the birthday girl coming out.
Yeah. Lenny is like a fish. I do not like getting in the ocean, far in the ocean.
Do your fish face. Fish face. Nikki, do your fish face. Do your fish face.
So guys, we're leaving. We had fun in Puerto Rico. Sorry that we ended the night early yesterday, but thank you guys for following. And my sister had a great time for her birthday. Heading home.